Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel Smile with Indu. Today in this video I'm gonna say the speciality of this day and the history of this day. Today is the death anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam, an Indian aerospace scientist and statesman who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. We know him very well as Missile Man, and I want to say an inspiring line by him. Look at the sky, we are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. So friends, dream and work for your dream. Thank you. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.